Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Epic Games cannot refund purchase. So there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. There is going to be refund eligibility. So the first thing is ensure that the game has been bought and played for less than 120 minutes and bought within 14 days. If you've exceeded any of those, then you won't be able to refund. Also, make sure that it is not a bundle or consumable. So bundles marked non-refundable or any purchase of virtual currency like V-Bucks cannot be returned. If you bought the game or content through a console or a mobile app store, then you must adhere to and contact that platform specific refund policy. So it is as simple as that. If you want to know how to go ahead and request a refund, all you need to do is simply click on the profile and then click on the account tab. Now here you want to simply go ahead and look for your transactions tab and then click on purchases. Simply go ahead and select the specific purchase that you want to refund and click on refund. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.